Hello everyone, this is Rohit Sinha. I'm a senior product manager with a software development company. I work with distributed teams and build technology products for my clients. So that's in nutshell all about me. And then the topic that I'm going to cover today is how to increase project effectiveness with digital transformation and key agile metrics. So that's all I'm going to talk about in today's session. And in this session, I will cover limitations of the current agile project management, in which I'll talk about the current tools that we are using, like Jira, TFS, and even though we are using these tools and we have a right agile practices, we are seeing the projects getting failed. They are having missed deadlines, or they miss the functionality. So that's about it. And more importantly, there are key gaps. There are gaps in the senior management versus middle management versus development team, in terms of project burn down versus sprint burn down. Project burn down is required by the upper management, whereas development teams talk about sprint burn down. Upper management needs what is the total effort, where we are in the cycle. The middle management or the development team, they focus on the sprint. They talk about the story points, the sprint story points. Then the health of the project. Sometimes we lose track of the health of the user stories itself. Do they have the acceptance criteria? Then the other bottlenecks in the system. Do we have almost same sprint velocity, or are these variable in terms of one sprint has is 20 story points, the other one is like 40 story points, right? If that is the case, then there is an issue. Then what about the non-functional requirements? Sometimes we missed on the non-functional part, meaning the security, right? Are we taking care of these? And it is difficult when you are doing a development to expect everything, because there are change of priorities. So how we can maintain that, right? What about the HIPAA compliance? If it is a healthcare application, how we are going to achieve the HIPAA security compliance with these application, right? What about the user management? Are we taking care of the encryption? So all these early in the cycle or throughout the development when the project is in the execution stage, right? Do not want to lose track on these things and end up having issues with the project deadlines, with the quality of the product, with missed functional or the non-functional requirements. So everything needs to be taken care of. So I'm going to give you a demo where I'll show you like what I mean by a digital transformation. So this is about a application that I built on top of React.js, AWS, and Jira APIs. And this I will show how we can leverage these technologies and achieve the desired results that can make our overall project experience smooth, team satisfied, and everyone is empowered. And then in the end, I would also like to have a Q&A. So questions and answers. Whenever you feel, anytime, feel free to ask these questions. So that's all about this session. Thank you.